This experiment is, I call it as experiment because it's mostly trying to use all leftover colors. Some of them are literally mixed like 6 months ago, and I'm just trying to use them off. And I've used colors repeatedly in past, and it hasn't been a problem, but some of these are like almost 6 months old, so I'm just trying to get them going and get rid of them. But instead of tossing them, it's a good idea to try and use them out. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just gonna try and lay everything randomly, all the colors in random order, and then put my cell activator and see what does it give me. And since this is a canvas, I know it tries to sag in between. I wanted to keep a tile in. I usually keep a tile in middle when I do the blooms, but I'm not doing a bloom. I'm just doing this trailblazer method and hoping everything works out. So we'll see. So first I'm gonna lay down some yellow. And I'm just thinning everything down a little because some of it is quite thick since it's been mixed like almost 6 months ago. And then is gonna be my hot cinnamon, and I have this varnish and water mix in this sonja bottle. It's not just varnish, it's a mix of both, and you can see how it's so thick. Some of it has dried. With my work schedule, sometimes I don't get to play with these colors again for like months, so need to find a way to use them. I'm going to add some teal. Well, let's just add this one. This is Snapdragon, I believe, and I'm gonna use it to top all. It's just random. And then I'm going to put some teal. This is Peacock feather, and it's quite thick, so okay. And let's put some blue. It's quite thick as well. And then I'm going to put this Matisse Magenta. put some iridescent green. Then is this perfect pulp pigment purple. And I'm going to add yellow again because yellow usually tends to vanish. Yellow is Sunburst from Colourarte. Okay, and now I'm also going to check what all cell activators I have from months ago. I have some Diox purple, looks like. Going to add that. Yeah, this is Diox purple. This is some neon pink. It's so thick, probably I should add some Floetrol to that. This is gonna be a huge fail, or a huge hit. I won't do something if I'm totally negative about it. I'm not gonna do that. So there is some white, and then is some black. Okay, that looks a bunch of mess. Okay, and I'm going to hook up this attachment to my hairdryer. First I'm going to blow on this side and then try and blow on the other side, and if I fall short of cell activator I can add more. I think I have some gold cell activator as well. No, I don't want a gold. Now I'm going to use my other hairdryer, which is yellow. Okay, I think I need more cell activator on this side, and we'll see how that goes. And I want some white. No, I don't want white. I want some diox purple. And I want some black. All that mess. Let's see what happens.